What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video here. This is Rafael, and in this video we're going to be talking about the best way to learn affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys are new to affiliate marketing and you want to get started. You want to start making an income for yourself. You don't want to work a traditional 9-to-5 job, and you just want to make money online. All right, so that's great. Affiliate marketing will allow you to do this. It will allow you to work from anywhere in the world. And getting down to the basics of affiliate marketing, all you have to do is drive traffic to your link and then have that person that went to your link purchase a product. So it sounds very simple. But you have to know the right strategies, and you have to know the proper way of doing so. Okay, so before we get into how you can learn affiliate marketing, I want to explain to you why affiliate marketing is the way to go if you want to make money online. Okay, so why affiliate marketing? Okay, so I believe the best business model to get started if you're new to making money online is affiliate marketing, because of the low cost to start. Okay, guys, you can start affiliate marketing today for under $100. Okay, like I mentioned this before in my previous videos. All you need is a website. Even you don't even need a website. You can start posting on Facebook, YouTube, and all of the other popular social networks. Okay, and it's simple as just putting a link out to a product, a software, a course, an Amazon product, and having someone buy it. Okay, so it's very low cost to get started, which is great. Another reason why you would want to do affiliate marketing is because of the low skill required. Okay, you don't need a lot of skills to do this, guys. Anybody can get started doing this. Okay, you don't need to learn advanced Facebook marketing tactics. All you need to know how to do is create awareness, capture attention, and send that attention to your link. Okay, so it's as simple as creating a video, a post, something that's going to capture people's attention and get them to your affiliate link. Okay, so those are some of the reasons why you should get started in affiliate marketing. And yeah, I think it really is one of the best business models out there right now. So take advantage of that. But yeah, so now we're going to be getting into the best ways to learn this. Okay, so this is coming from my personal experience. This is how I learned affiliate marketing, and that is, of course, self-teaching on YouTube. Okay, I pretty much taught myself how to do all this for free, of course, on YouTube. There is so much useful information on YouTube. Okay, a lot of these guys, they put out free information, but they ultimately upsell you on a course. Okay, now you don't need to take their course. Just watching all their videos and just learning as you go can also be very, very good as well. Okay, so teaching yourself on YouTube is the way to go. Okay, you don't really need to spend too much money learning affiliate marketing. All you need to know what to do is how to create awareness, where to find the affiliate products. Okay, so the best way to do this is on YouTube. Okay, this is the way that I learn, and I just follow a bunch of affiliate marketers on YouTube, and that's how I got started. That's how I know everything I know today. And yeah, so the way to go is YouTube, but follow successful affiliate marketers. Okay, follow what they're posting, and if their content is you know, congruent to what they're actually showing you. Okay, alright, so the next way you can learn affiliate marketing is through a course. Okay, now you don't need to spend hundreds and sometimes even thousands of dollars on a course. You can actually learn pretty much everything you need to know about affiliate marketing on YouTube for free. Okay, but the problem in doing so is you got to jump around from video to video, or from YouTube channel to YouTube channel to find the right information. If you're doing a campaign or if you're trying to figure out a certain strategy, and so you could get lost if you're trying to just do it through YouTube and you're trying to learn and also do affiliate marketing while you're watching a video. So it can get a little confusing. But if you're more of a learner that's like step-by-step learner, you're gonna do a lot better if you have a course that you follow along with and you can actually implement along with the course. Okay, this is the reason why courses are so good. It's because it's a step-by-step approach. Okay, so if you learn like that, it's by step-by-step videos, then you may want to invest in a course. Okay, you might want to pay the price for a course, and it'll be worth it because all the information is there, and you can always go back to the course if you have any questions, or if you are having trouble with a campaign, or if you're having a problem with a certain part of the strategy. Okay, so courses, they're great, but you don't need them. Okay, you can learn through just YouTube videos and just following a few affiliate marketers that actually know what they're talking about. Okay, now the final way that you can learn affiliate marketing, okay, and this is what I think is the best way to learn it, is actually by implementing on your own. Okay, so actually taking the time, sitting down, figuring out what product you're going to promote, how you're going to do it, the strategy, and actually following that. Okay, so it could be starting a Facebook page in a specific niche like gardening and promoting a ClickBank offer. It could be a YouTube channel around a specific niche like cycling. Okay, you can do an Instagram page, or an Instagram sharing your experience on traveling, and then you can promote an Amazon product like a camera or a backpack. So these are just some ways you can do it, but I think implementing this on your own and actually making mistakes along your way is going to be the best way to learn affiliate marketing, because you're going to see what works and you're going to see what doesn't work. Okay, and it's going to test your skills. Okay, but yeah, these are some of the methods that you can learn affiliate marketing. Again, this is from my personal experience. This is what I've went through. I've done courses, I've done YouTube, but I think the best way to learn affiliate marketing is actually sitting down, having a goal, and just following a plan, having a YouTube page, having a YouTube channel in a niche, and just providing relevant content to the niche, and then eventually promote affiliate products. Okay, so this was the best way to learn affiliate marketing. If you enjoyed content like this, go ahead and like this and share with your friends. If you thought this was helpful, okay, that would really help me out with my channel. But other than that, guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.